Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate that you can send a direct message on Twitter. So first of all, open the profile of the person that you would like to send a direct message to. Here is mine. Right like at the back or to the left of the follow button that you have at each Twitter profile, you'll get this little envelope icon that is encircled, which you want to tap on. Here we have been transferred to the direct messages successfully, so write a message and hit that send button like that. And that's how you can send direct message on Twitter. So that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.